Today, we will start at chapter 10, lesson 3, talking about circles. Today, we will learn how can we write and graph the equation of circle, how can we find the center and the radius of a circle from its equation or from any quadratic equation, and also how can you use this equation to find the center and the radius and graph the circle. Now, as you know, a circle is a set of all points. This set of points, it has a distance from a point. We called it a center. This is a circle, as you see. In the middle of the circle, we have a point. This point, we called it center. And the distance from this center, from this point to any point on a circle is, we called it a distance, and it's fixed. It's every time it has the same distance from the center to this point. Now, and if you want now to find the equation of the circle, how can we find it? How can we find it? Imagine now this will be an circle. Let's see that this is now a circle. Now, we said that a circle, it has a center. And the distance from this center to any point on a circle is, we called it a distance. Okay, this is a center and this is a distance. I want now to write the equation of the circle. So let's name the center here with HK. Sorry. Let's name it with HK, and let's name this point on a center with XY. Okay, so the coordinate of the center is HK, and the coordinate of any point on a circle is XY. So, as we know now, if you have, as we said before, if we have this line, and you want to write or to find the distance for this line, what did you say? If this is x1, y1, and if this is x2, y2, and you want to find the distance between these two coordinates, you will say the difference of y squared plus the distance of x squared. This will be how can I find the distance of any line. If I have 2 points and the line between these 2 points, I can find the distance of it. Here now for the circle we will do the same. Here now we have like this one, it's an HK, it's a center, and this is an XY, which is the point on a circle. If I want now to find the distance, I will say it is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Then after that, let's square both of the terms from the right and from the left. From the right, we will have distance squared equal x minus, since now the squared cancel the square root, so x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Then, what is the distance?
You don't.
The distance.
H below h.
Oh, sorry. Now, the distance from this point to this point, what we will name it? Did we name it, Anna? Diameter or radius?
No, it's radius.
It's radius. So I will write now, instead of, I will say r squared is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Will be an equation of a circle. X, if it has a center hk, so I will say x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal the radius squared. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So here, as we said, if we use here, this is a circle. If we use the distance formula, imagine this will be an x, y, and here is a center hk. If I want to find the distance between them, we will name it with r. Its equation is r squared equal x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Now, this we called it the standard form of a circle with a center hk and radius r, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal r squared with a center hk. Now, let's see here now. In this one here,
we will just substitute it.
Yeah. Here now I want to find I want now to write the equation of a circle. What is an equation of a circle with a center -4, 3 and radius 4? So here, as we know, the standard form of the equation of the circle is x. Sorry, I didn't write. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal r squared. R is a radius. H, k is a coordinate of the center. So if here you have -4, 3, so h is -4 and k is a 3. Let's now evaluate x minus. What is the value of h? It is -4. Be careful of the signs. -4 squared plus y minus k is 3. So k3 squared equal. What is the radius of the circle? It is 4 squared.
It is 4.
Then it will be x minus -4. It's x plus 4.
Which is plus
squared plus y minus 3 squared equal 16. This will be an equation of a circle. Is it clear?
yes.
Teacher, just like that, we will not simplify it anymore.
No, keep it like this. Just I want you to write the equation of a circle. And I told you here that the standard form of the equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. So if I ask you to write its equation, you keep it like this. In this form, I mean.
It's easier than the parabola, right?
Ah, yes, the circle, yes, it's easy. Now, look at this problem here. In this problem, I want you now to write the equation. But here you have a translation. What does it mean? Look at the first. Wait, sorry. Look at here. Look at the first equation. Here you will have x squared plus y squared equal 9. Now from this one, what is the center of the circle? If you have x squared plus y squared equal 9, is it like this one?
It is the origin. It will be x squared equal 9.
Is it like this? Are they the same?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what does it mean? What is the center of the circle?
We have 3, 3.
-0.
0, 0.
-3.
No. Wait. The center of the circle. It is 0, 0. So if you have x squared plus y squared without any numbers, it's like this. It's x squared or x minus 0 squared, sorry, plus y minus 0 squared equal 9. What does it mean? That means the center of the circle is 0, 0. So this is now the center of the circle. Now what's the radius? What is the radius? Now I told you that r squared equals 9. So r, it could be what?
81.
Positive. No, r squared is 9.
Positive
So
3.
the radius is positive negative 3. But since a radius is a radius is a distance and cannot be negative, yes. So I will say that r is 3. Here 9 it's r squared. So the square root of 9, as we know, it is 3. So the radius is 3 and the center here is 0, 0. Is it clear?
Teacher, how it's 0, 0? We are not going to find the x and y intercept.
Sorry?
How it's 0?
Wait, I will tell you how. How the center is 0? It's like this. Here you have an xy coordinate, and at the center 0, 0, we will have a center of the circle. And here, if you want to draw now the circles, will be Yes, I want you please to imagine that, you know, this is a circle, not an ellipse. Okay, so look at this circle here. In this circle, as you see, we have a center at the origin, and it has a radius r, which is 3. This is a circle. Here, the center, if you look at the circle, what is the center of the circle?
It's the origin.
It is an origin. And what is the radius?
3.
It's a 3. This will be my circle. If it has an x squared plus y squared equal 9. Now, I shift this circle 4 units left and 3 up. What does it mean? Please give me 1 minute. Yes, sorry. So 4 units left and 3 up. I want now translate this circle 4 units left. What does it mean? That means
it means that the center will be at 4.
Here is my circle, my center, sorry. I go to the left. Where's my left? Is here. I go 4 units left. Here we have 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it clear? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here, the center is shifting 4 units to the left and 3 up. What does it mean? That's mean from here, I will go 1, 2, 3. So my new center will be at this point. So I shift my circle. I will bring it like this.
Teacher, are we supposed to find another numbers to make the graph?
I will shift my circle to be here. Yes, Rose?
So are we supposed to find another numbers to make the graph? Or just like that in general?
To find another number?
Yeah, we should like put another numbers to graph it.
Sorry, I didn't understand. What did you mean by find another number?
teacher لازم نختار أرقام ثانية عشان نعرف ولا لا.
Why you want to choose another number to what?
Like to graph it. يعني teacher عشان نرسمها إنه أحسن. Circle.
No. I want you to know what is the radius, what is the diameter as an example. If I ask you about it, what is the center of the circle? I want to graph the circle. Now, so here you have an equation of a circle. As we know, it's x squared plus y squared equal 9. After I translate it to be as this, 4 to the left and 3 up. So this is my new circle. Is it clear? Yes, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Now, for this circle here, does it have the same center? Does now its center is an origin?
No, it doesn't.
No, the center
No.
will change. It's changed. What is the center now? If you have this point here,
It's
and
negative
I
4,
want
3.
to know to take the coordinates of it, what it will be? Yes, Rose, can you tell me? مش Rose, sorry, Sarah.
Yeah.
Yes, Sarah. What is the center of the circle now? Sarah. Look here. Here we have a center. I want now to give me the coordinates of it. Here you have -1. Here you have -2, -3, and -4. Here you have 1, 2, and 3. So what is the center of the circle?
Teacher,
Yes, Maya.
Sarah said she went to the bathroom. I know, teacher, I'm back.
Yes, Sarah.
Yeah, teacher, can you please repeat the question? I just came back.
Okay. Here, for this new circle, what is the center of the circle? Coordinate.
Is it -4?
Yes.
And 3.
Thank you. So thank you so much, Sarah. So the center here is -4, 3. So after that, what is the equation will be? Yes, Maya. What is the equation of the circle?
X squared minus squared.
Now see, x minus, not squared. The square of the brackets. X minus
So 3.
4. No. Here I first choose the x value, then the y. So x minus -4 squared plus
Y minus 3.
Yeah. Equal what? Equal 9.
Y.
So the equation of a circle is x plus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared equal 9. Is it clear now?
Yes, teacher, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Now, for this one here, what is an equation for each translation? Let's do one and right, left and down. No, 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 no. Let's choose A. Yeah. What is an equation of each translation? The old circle is x squared plus y squared equal 1. So from here, if you have x squared and y squared, as I told you, that means the center is at the origin. And the radius is what? Is 1. Because A1 is the radius square, so R is 1. The second thing, I will draw now my circle with a center at the origin and the radius 1. Now, let's translate left 5 units. So, as we did before, left 5 units. 1, 2, 3,
And 3 up.
4, 5. Then 3 down. 1, 2, 3. Here is my new center for my circle. So I will now bring this one to be here. This is my new circle now. Since I changed its position, so the center is changed. So yes, Yara, what is the center of the circle now?
-5, -3.
-5, -3. Thank you so much. Can you tell me what's the equation of the circle will be? Oh, sorry, what's the equation of the circle?
Yes.
Yeah.
X minus -5 squared plus y minus -3 squared equal 1.
Thank you so much. So that will be, it will be x plus 5 squared plus y plus 3 squared equal 1. Okay, thank you, Yara. Now, so here, he told me that, as we said before, if you want to, if you have a circle as an example with its equation x squared plus y squared equal 1, and I shrink it, I stretch it, I transform this circle with a new center like HK, I translate it 3 to the left, 4 to the right, 3 to the up, 4 down, and so on. I will have a new circle with a x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal r squared. That's why, that's what we did before. Now, for this gadget here, what is an equation of a circle that has a radius 12 and center 7, -10? I want now, for this question here, I want now to write the equation of the circle. The center is 7, -10. And the radius is 12. Okay, now I want you now to help me to write the equation of the circle. Yes, Habiba.
It's x minus 7.
It's, what's the right? Because I want to see something from here. It has Sorry. So here the center is 7, negative 10. So it will be x, yes,
-7
minus 7
squared
squared,
plus y minus 10
10 or
minus
negative
negative
10?
10
Negative 10, thank you.
squared equal 12.
Squared or without squared?
Squared.
Squared. So after I simplify it, it will be x minus 7 squared plus y plus 10 squared equal 144. So for these questions now, here the same. I have a center, I have a radius, I can write the equation. In the second one, I have a circle, I translate it with a new, so it has a new center, so I can write the equation. In this one, the got to 3, it's related to problem 3. They have the same idea, but I choose the got it. Here I want you to write the equation also with a given center, with a given radius. Now, but now here, I have to do the opposite. What does it mean? That's mean I give you the equation and you want to tell me what is the radius and what is the center. So in the previous 3 questions, I give you the radius, I give you the center, you can write the equation. Now here, no. Here, I give you the equation and I want you now to give me the radius and the center of the equation. Look at the first one, A. Here, x plus 8 squared plus y plus 3 squared equal 121. Now, as we know that the equation of a circle is x minus h plus y minus k equal r squared. So the center now
Teacher, can I answer it?
is, yes, but what, wait, please, is hk and the radius, which is r. Now, what is the center of the circle? Yes, Rose?
It is a negative 8. And
Negative
the
8 and negative 3. Thank you. And what is the radius?
is 11.
It's 11. Thank you. So here, from this one here, I have this equation, and I want you to find the center and the radius of the circle. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's do B. In B here, yes. In B here, I have an equation also, and I want you to tell me what is the center and what is the radius. But if you look at this equation, it's not in the standard form of the equation of the circle. It's like the previous problem for the parabola, that if you have this equation, I want you now to complete a square, to make some actions to find or to write it as a standard form of the standard equation of the circle. Let's do it here. Here now the equation is x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 14y equal 8. Now, the first step, I want you now to gather the x's in term or in brackets and the y's on the other brackets. Like this. Make 2 brackets. In the first one, I want you to put the x values, which is x squared and negative 6x. And in the second term, I want you to put y squared and 14y. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
First step, gather the x in bracket and the y on the other bracket. Now, and also, as we said before, if you have an x squared plus bx or plus yes, ax squared plus bx plus c, I want you to pick the value of b divided by 2 squared. Did you remember what did we say on Thursday?
Yeah.
We bring
Yes.
the value of b divided by 2 squared to complete a square.
And then we
What is
have
the value
to
of b
not
here?
negative and positive.
What is the value of b here?
Negative 6.
It's negative 6 over 2.
So, negative 6 over 2 squared. Negative 6 over 2, it's a negative 3 squared,
Negative
9.
9.
So, I will add 9 to this one here. And as we said before also, if you add 9 to this term, you have to minus 9 here also. And then go to the next equation with a y now. What is the value of b?
14 over 2.
It is 14.
So
14
then
over 2, it is 7 squared, 49. So here I will add 49 to this term
and 8 minus 49.
and also minus negative, sorry. And minus 49 here also. As we said before, if you add 9, you have to subtract 9 from the term. So now, what will be? It will be x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 14y plus 49. Okay, I just add the 9 to the first bracket and 49 to the second bracket. Minus 9 minus 49 equal 8. Then let's now rearrange it more and more. If I bring this 9 and 49, I want now to bring it to the second side. So here I want to put these two constants in the second term. Okay?
Teacher, will not make it fast in the first step, like 8 minus 9 minus 49.
Sorry?
Like in the first step, why can't we make it fast 8 minus 9 minus 49?
X 8 minus what?
Like in the first step, can we just make it 8 minus 9 minus 49?
No. Here I'm in the first term. If I add negative, if I add 9, I will put negative 9 in the same side.
Oh, so in the same equation.
Okay, so as we said here, x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 14y plus 49. I will add, subtract 9 and 49 since I add 9 and 49 in the first. Then after that, I will bring them to the second side. So for this one here, x squared minus 6x plus 9, can I write it as x minus 3 squared?
Yeah.
And y squared plus what?
Plus
You
7.
want to write it? Plus 7,
Plus
thank
7.
you. Squared equal 8 plus 9, 17 plus 49,
66.
66.
So after that, is this now an
Yeah,
equation
the
of a
same
circle?
equation of the circle.
Is this equation of a circle?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now can you tell me what is the radius of the circle?
It's square root of 66.
66.
Square root, sorry. The radius now is square root.
It's 88
And what is the radius?
8.1.
Center, the center, sorry.
3 negative 7.
3 negative 7.
3 negative 7. Is it clear?
Teacher, are we going to
Yes.
leave the radius like that?
Sorry?
Are we going to leave the radius like that?
Yes, keep
Like,
it like this. Or
can we
can
say
write
that
as
it's equal 8.12?
No, I prefer to write it like 66 as it as
Okay.
6 times 11 or 22 times 3 or 33 times 2. Keep it like this, okay. Now, here now, I want you to graph a circle. It's very easy. Here you have an equation, x plus 1 squared plus y minus negative 3, y minus 3 squared equal 25. Yes, Raghat, what is the center of the circle?
Teacher, I forgot. Raghat said that she will not attend today because she went to Jeddah.
Okay, okay. Yes, yeah, Haneen, what is the center of the circle?
It's negative 1, 3.
Negative 1, 3. Thank you. And the radius?
At 5, it's
At
5.
5. So if you want now to draw the circle, where's negative 1, 3? It is here and here. So this will be the center of the circle. Then after that, this will be my circle. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.